Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for joining me again. We are live with Friday's stream. I hope you've all got that Friday feeling. We are at the last trading day of the week for the ETFs. So we'll see what we get today. But do let me know who we've got in the chat. I know we've got some comments coming in already. We've got Sam saying, send pizza. You can send some my way as well if you want, mate. We've got Gaz saying, hi there. Hello, Gaz. We've got me saying, get the likes going. So everyone get the likes going. Come on. We've got 20 people in so far, so let's get the likes going. Let's get the algorithm going in our favour today. We've got Unicorn Magus with the $sign. I hope you're making money, mate. We've got Bullish Mike. That's a good name, isn't it? Bullish Mike. Don't know how I ended up here, but I am here. Hope everyone's good. Well, thank you very much for joining, Mike. However you ended up here, doesn't matter. Just make sure that you stay for the stream, and we'll have a good time for sure. Make sure you drop a subscription as well, because you will like it, what's on offer for sure, mate. So that's a good profile picture as well. That I do like that. Hi, Gaz. How are you doing? We got TMG in as well saying hello. Hello to you. You got John saying afternoon, Dave. Good afternoon to you, Squire. How are you doing? I hope you're all good. We've got Mike with the big capital Dave again. So get your capital Mikes in the chat for Mike today. Mike's on time as well. He's on time. It was late yesterday. We've got Paddy saying hello, hello. Good afternoon to you, Pad. How are you doing? We've got Yorkie Boy saying morning, Dave. Good morning to you, wherever you are, Yorkie. Good morning to you. Thank you for joining the stream. We've got a few new faces in that I've not seen before. So do make sure you drop a like on the stream, and do make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you come back every single day for our streams. We've got Stress saying GM. One road, saying, what does Stonksy say about ETH? We can have a look at that. One road. Let me get the intro in. And then yeah, we'll have a look at ETH. Morning, Tom. How are you doing? We've got Lazo saying, yo. What? No coughing? I'm nearly done. I'm nearly better. I will have maybe a couple of coughing fits while I'm on, but it's nearly done. We've got Daniel saying, I bought it. Oh, I'm sorry about that, Daniel. Let me, I'll get that investigated for you, and I'll sort that out. Are you sure you've definitely not got it? Just make sure you check your spam and your junk in case it's gone into there. But you should have definitely had it. Otherwise, I will go and have a look. Just drop us an email in contact@stonksy.io. I'll drop it in the chat now. Drop us an email now. I've just dropped it in the chat for you, Daniel. Drop us an email and we'll get that looked into. Should have definitely been done for you ages ago. But do make sure you just check your folder just in case it's dropped into there. Was traveling to Pennsylvania. Oh, wow. Okay. What, for Christmas, or what are you going to Pennsylvania for? Are you going to one of your family? It's pretty crazy, isn't it, in America? Because obviously you all, have got family pretty much everywhere, probably, with people moving to different states and stuff. So when something like Thanksgiving or Christmas comes around, you have people having to go so far, don't you? Traveling. So obviously you all meet up and get together. We've got Andy Bremner saying, afternoon, folks, from sunny-ish Spain. Hello, Andy. Thank you very much for joining, Andy. I've seen that you dropped another P&L in the Discord today, so superb, mate. Well done. Yes, I'm sure about, yeah. Just drop us an email then, Daniel. But yeah, thank you very much for joining. Make sure you do drop a like on the stream. And as always, this stream is in partnership with BLOFIN. So do make sure you check the link in the description. It's the first one. And sign up with the Stonksy link. You get VIP 1 straight away for signing up, which means you pay low fees. And it is non-KYC. So you can sign up in under 60 seconds with just an email. And there's nothing else to it. Once you sign up, you're done. You can just start depositing and trading straight away. So do make sure you check that out. But yeah, we've got 3 rain today. Obviously, I've got the CSC website already pulled up, so we can run through the top gainers and stuff and see what's going on here. But I will check ETH for the person that asked for ETH. There we go. There's one cough. But it is going. It's going slowly. But yeah, so we've had some good movement on Bitcoin as well. We've had some good movement on Bitcoin on the 1 minute chart. some real nice pushes up and drops down. The usual. Those of you that have got Stonksy know that this is a never-present thing. But yeah, let's check ETH, shall we? So we did get a massive run up on ETH on the 1 minute as well. This was a super scalp for whoever caught this a couple of hours ago. That was a really, really good scalp for whoever might have caught that. Anything on the 5 minute? No. Well, it was in a slight loss on the 5 minute there. On the 1 hour, we've got nothing open at the moment. Got nothing open at the moment on the 1 hour. However, if we turn off Stonksy for a sec, this does. I don't normally trade just off patterns. However, you could maybe say that this is forming a nice little cup and handle pattern potentially. So what would that give? I've drawn that terribly, haven't I? The bottom's all the way here. But if we just go like that. So are we potentially going to say 4,300 based off this cup and handle pattern? Who likes patterns? Does anyone trade mostly off patterns, or do you mostly go off SR and Stonksy? But that's the first thing I seen straight away when I seen that then. Was, oh, that looks kind of like a cup and handle pattern. Work, US is big. Why we like our cars and guns. Yeah, that's it, isn't it? Thank you, Top. I'm very well. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Make sure everyone does drop a like on the stream. Good afternoon, Catherine from North Wales. Oh, lovely. Lovely part of the country. Hope you're having a good one. Thank you very much for joining, Catherine. If you could check RSR and H bar, for me, I love you long time. I feel on the last 2 hours they're primed to fly. I can do that. Let me make a little note of them for you. Let me make a little note of them for you. So RSR and H bar. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I don't normally trade off patterns, but you know, you can see that straight away, can't you? On the 1 hour chart. So we'll see. But as you can see on Stonksy, it's got on the 1 hour and 30 minute these resistance levels to break just above 4K. And then we should be off to the races then. So maybe we will get the break up today. Is TMG, are you still long? Are you still long on ETH? Andy Bremner saying, like me, flag patterns. Oh, are you Scottish, are you, Andy? Scottish, living in Spain, living it up, aren't you? You're living it up. Well, yeah. Do make sure that you check out BLOFIN. If you're not already signed up to BLOFIN, or if you already are, you can sign up with the Stonksy link in the description. I'll drop it in the chat as well in a second. The best exchange for you to use to trade spot, futures, or if you just want to hold stable coins on there. And when you do sign up with Stonksy, you get VIP 1. And yeah, like I said before, it's non-KYC. So do make sure you go and check that out. I'll drop it in the chat now for anyone who wants to go and sign up. But yeah, you'll find it in the description alongside the Stonksy link as well. But yeah, let's crack on, shall we? Let's crack on. Let's have a look at RSR first for whoever asked. So let's see. So this is on the 30 minute. We had a nice push up on the 30 minute. And then we've got this one that's going slightly against us at the moment. But we have got these. It's coming to support here. Got a nice bounce. And then obviously this is the one to break on the 30 minute. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. So the 1 hour caught the drop down real nice. And we're currently in a no trade zone on there. And again, we've got the resistance to break here. So you would imagine if we come up, obviously close above resistance, hold above there, we might start heading back towards these levels up here. So do make sure that you're utilising Stonksy's SR lines. Currently in a red background as well. Break even on the 15 minute. So there's not much going on with RSR at the moment. It's just consolidating, isn't it, after the drop? It's pushed back up a little bit, but there's not much going on. Caught a push up and a drop down on the 5 minute, which is good. So when something's like this consolidating, it's good for lower time frame trades, like the 5 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute, because it's just not going anywhere at the moment. So that caught a lovely push up there and then caught a drop back down. Let's go and have a look at H bar. That was also requested. Do make sure you get any requests in the chat and I'll write them down. Indeed, buddy. From Bonnie Dundee originally. Had my bar over here 14 years now, mate. But in Spain for 18 years. Superb, mate. Superb. And I haven't forgot about the Stonksy party at your bar. We've not forgot about that. We've got Foley saying, "Hi, I have heard great things about Stonksy and I'm going to purchase, but could you give me a quick 1-minute tutorial on how it works and how you use it in TradingView?" I suppose I could do that live, yeah. But there is plenty of content on the YouTube channel as well if you want a further in-depth tutorial. But of course, I can do that. Let me do that before we go and have a look at H-bar. So with Stonksy, obviously, you'll see it's got the background indication, which for long and shorts. Then these lines are what we added last week. These are support and resistance. So they mean different things. So the thicker ones, like this and this, they're major SR lines. Then you have the ones that are slightly less thick. They are the most recent price action. And then the transparent ones, they are historical. So for instance, if we go down to something like the 1 hour, as you can see, Stonksy caught the push up on RSR beautifully. And then caught the drop back down lovely as well. But then as you can see, it's got support and resistance drawn on automatically for you as well. So, as soon as we break above here, that's a good indication. And then there is also the momentum line as well. So you can use this to maybe monitor reversals like here. As you can see, when the price come all the way down, the momentum line bottomed out. And then as that started to ease up a bit into green, price started to curl up as well. But yeah, that's it's a very quick 1-minute tutorial. But make sure you do go and check out all the content that's on the YouTube channel. But yeah, pretty much you have the background indication, red and green for longs and shorts. You have SR automatically drawn on for you. So identifying your support and resistance, which is separated into minor and major. And then obviously you have the momentum line as well. So I hope that was satisfactory for you. But yeah, do make sure you come and join us, Foley. It'd be great to have you over on Stonksy. Do come and join us. And when you do sign up to Stonksy, make sure you also sign up to BLOFIN as well. The best exchange for you to trade futures on. So obviously where you're going to be trading Stonksy, make sure you click the link in the description. It's the first link, and sign up to BLOFIN on the Stonksy link to do your trading. We had someone ask for Suey. I can do Suey. I was looking at Suey before, actually. I was looking at Suey because it's heading towards $5, isn't it? I can do that for you. Let's have a look at H-bar. So currently catching a 1 hour move in the green, which is real nice. We are just under 10% up on that, and it's getting a nice push here on the 1 hour candle. We got anything on the 30-minute? So as you can see, the 30-minute caught a drop down real nice. Then flipped into the green, which just saw the consolidation. But the 30, this is the good thing about checking different time frames as well, similar to each other. So if you're checking the 1 hour, you might as well check the 30-minute as well. And as you can see, the same for the 15-minute. Caught the drop down, lovely. And then we had a bit of consolidation into some reds and greens, but then now we're in the green, pushing back up. And as you can see, this would have been red for resistance, and then we've reclaimed it now, flipped to support. And then the 10-minute, we're in a no trade zone as well. So yeah, that's H-bar for whoever asked. You're welcome. I suppose we could look at the 5-minute if you want. Catching the move up on the 5-minute nicely as well. But yeah, there's H-bar. You're very welcome. Do make sure you all go and drop a like on the stream as well. Let's get them likes as high as possible. There's 40 people watching, so we should at least be at 30 likes. And ran the figures as well, the analytics. There's 50% of you that aren't subscribed. So do make sure you hit the subscribe button as well, which means if you're not subscribed, you're probably not liking to. So do make sure we fix that today and go and hit the subscribe button and like. Well, yeah, do get your tickers in the chat, everyone. Get your tickers in the chat and get your questions in as well. And we'll look at Bitcoin in a sec too, because obviously the title of today's video is, are we going to see higher I think we're in good stead too. Let's have a look at Sui first, and then we'll cover Bitcoin. So Sui, obviously, we got a nice drop down on it, didn't we, this week? Again, caught by Stonksy. They caught this move on across the whole market. And then again, this is an example of just checking different time frames. So we got a lovely push up last week on Sui there. Then this is good about checking different times. So the 30-minute caught the push up, then the 15-minute caught the drop down, and then the 30-minute is on a rampage again. So as we can see here, we are currently 13% up from when this opened on Wednesday on the 30-minute. And the 1 hour pretty much from the same point as well. And I believe, is this its all-time high? 491, it seems like it will be. Yeah. So it's not too far away from entering price discovery as well. It's not too far away. Could it be heading towards like $6, $7? Well, obviously, Stonksy knows what it's got to do first. It's got to break 491. So we'll monitor that going into next week too. 10-minute caught a nice push up as well from Wednesday into yesterday afternoon, and then closed out, and then it's in a green background again, catching the push up. So as you can see, there's many different time frames that can be very beneficial. You just tie them all in together to catch some lower time frame moves like this. This was just a day trade, but then also catching like the bigger moves. Please do Sui. I'm doing Sui right now. That's literally what I've got on the screen. Laszlo, that's literally what I've got on the screen, mate. We've got Mike Munns in from Cornwall. Hello, Mike. Any more news on your roof? Mike's roof blew off earlier this week in all the wind. But yeah, do make sure you sign up to Stonksy and BLOFIN. Links are in the description for you. If you're not signed up to Stonksy, this stream will change your mind or make you decide, whatever. If you're still on the fence, we will amend that. But yeah, let's have a look at Bitcoin anyway. Let's go and have a look at just the price action first. So as we can see, we're still slowly grinding upwards, aren't we? And we're still like in this channel. So we're still kind of like in this channel. I think it'd be better actually drawing something like this. Wrong one. This one. Still kind of in this channel, aren't we? Where would you draw it? Let's draw it about. I'll move that along. I'm gone. Let's move that in a bit. So we're in this channel moving upwards. So if we're going to carry on moving like this, I think we'll see towards 110 soon. But we obviously just don't want to dip out of here. We don't want to dip out of the channel. So what we do want to see is something like obviously pushing up and then, you know, carrying on upwards. We don't want to see something like that. But it looks good. It looks good. There's nothing wrong with this for now. There's nothing wrong with it at all. If we scale down to, say, like the 4 hour and we have a look again. Looks good. Just moving up in the channel. But we want to break the top of the channel. We don't want to, because obviously all that'll happen is if we don't break the top of the channel, you know, we might come up and test this. But then the likelihood is, you know, we might just end up falling out. You want to sort of come up, test the channel, and then start to break above and head to 120-ish. But let's go and have a look at Stonksy anyway. So, of course, a nice drop down Monday into Tuesday and Wednesday on the 30-minute. And currently, yeah, we're just trading, aren't we, between like 102 and 99. But we got a good recovery after this sharp sell-off. That was it within three candles, so 1.5 hours. Got a sharp sell-off back down to 99-ish. But we are starting to push back up a little bit now. We are also green on the 5-minute. But yeah, where do you all think that we're heading next for Bitcoin? Where do you think we're heading? Waiting for insurance, but all good. That's good. That's good. Totally forgot I opened a long on deep on a 5-minute Stonksy long signal at 11:45 with a ribbon crossover. 9% up at the moment. Nice surprise. There you go. There you go. So there's a live trade from Andy. He opened it. What's that? Just over half an hour ago, isn't it? 35 minutes ago. And he's 9% up on it, which is nice. You'd take them all day, wouldn't you? You would take them all day. But yeah, do make sure you get your tickers in the chat, and we'll have a look. But yeah, we've looked at Bitcoin now. But yeah, it looks good. It looks good. We just want to see a nice green Stonksy indication on one of the high time frames. We're in red at the moment, but if we carry on pushing up, this will come out of red. But yeah, we want to see a nice green one happen. But yeah, for now, might as well just carry on scalping it with Stonksy. Let's see. What should we have a look at? Let's take some of these from the top gainers anyway. We'll take LDO. We'll take Curve. And should we take Aptos? Let's take them over. Let's take them over and have a go. LDO. LDO. Curve. And let's have a look at Apps. Let's take some of these over and see what's going on. So got a really nice push up on the 10-minute this week, which opened on Wednesday on LDO and closed today, this morning. So that caught 22% within 2 days, which, there you go. If you sat there wondering, oh, how quick can I recoup my money invested into Stonksy? Well, there you go, 22% up in the span of 2 days. You just need one trade like that a week if you're trading, on decent margin, and you'd be done. So there's LDO. Let's see anything on the 15. Yep, still on the 15, and that closed literally just an hour ago and into the red. And we're catching the drop down on the red now too. So opened here, catching the drop down, and it's obviously making its way. The price making its way towards the Stonksy support levels. So we'll see what happens with that. Maybe something will happen with that live on stream. Stonksy loving Chainlink. I've made a fortune of it. Yeah, I think we covered Chainlink yesterday, didn't we? But I'll have another look. Sup, Cucumber. Anytime you're in Amsterdam, bees or naughty cigarettes on me. Oh, superb. What a good offer that is. What a good offer. Thank you very much, Cucumber. Anytime I'm in Amsterdam, I'll hit you up for a beer. For sure. How kind of you. How are you enjoying Stonksy as well, Cucumber? You think you recently got it, didn't you? How are you enjoying Stonksy? Yeah, but I'll pull up Chainlink as well. We've got Spud in the chat. Big up, Spud. Spud just finished his live stream on CSE. Make sure you check in Spud out over on the Crypto Saving Expert channel every day for his live streams as well. We've got Tom Wick saying 30 mins till USA Open. No, it's not. USA Open's only in 2 hours. US Open's in 2 hours. So you're a little bit ahead of schedule there, Tom. Still got 2 hours to go. But yeah, it'd be interesting to see what happens today. Given the drop down that we had yesterday in the recovery. We will see. We've got John Lucas as well saying having problems with the SR lines. Update followed. We're getting vertical lines on some charts. Have you turned the plot and the line off? Have you turned this off? So when you've got Stonksy on here like this, make sure you've gone into your settings and you've turned plot off and line. Otherwise, you will have something showing that shouldn't be showing. See if I can get anything. Like this. Is this what you mean is showing on the chart? Make sure that you've turned the plot and the line off. And if you said, did you say you was away? Been away, so kind of missed the update. We'll just come over to the YouTube channel and watch this. Posted a video on it last week when we released them. So just come and check out this video. A quick walkthrough on obviously setting them up. It's not difficult to do though. If you do have any persistent problems though, just drop a message in the Discord. John Lucas in Ask Questions. So Cucumber's saying he's finding it amazing. Few days in and feels like a kid will be able to do this. That's it. So Mr. Cucumber signed up to Stonksy not too long ago, and we've got a full testimonial there, just saying how easy it is. No, it's 2:30 UK time. We pump, says TMG. I can get to Amsterdam. So Mike wants to come to Amsterdam with you, with me, Cucumber. Yes, tried that. We'll give it another go. We'll just remove the indicator. Sometimes what you have to do is, it's not an issue within Stonksy. It sometimes can just be a bug within TradingView. Just remove the indicator, log out to your account, log back in, re-add Stonksy, and then it should be good to go for you then. Sometimes you just have to completely refresh TradingView. Take some trades today. I can do that. So let me stop this then, and I'll load up my BLOFIN account. Let's load up the BLOFIN account. Am I in? I'm in. Right. There we go. And yeah, we can look at doing some live trades today. I have put it in the title, haven't I? Used to live in the Dam. Dr. Q worked at the Rice Centre. Oh, so there we go. We've got a bit of bonding between Andy and Dr. Q there. A bit of bonding. They both got some common ground. And we've got it saying Stonksy is great. Profit. Superb. And remember, you want to be trading all that profit over on BLOFIN. Just click the link in the description and sign up to BLOFIN. So anyone who's not signed up on there, make sure you go and sign up on there during the stream. It only takes 60 seconds. And let me know in the chat when you signed up, and I'll give you a big shout out and become your best friend for the day. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Should we set an alert for when? So here we go. We're on a good period here as well. We're on no background color. So let me set an alert for Stonksy. There we go. Right, so I've got that alert set. Let me just turn the alerts on as well on my phone. So, sorry, my notifications for TradingView. So I get a buzz so I don't miss them. Where are they? Notifications. There we go. Otherwise, I might miss it. Where is it? There we go. Right, so that's set. So next color change we get, we'll trade it live. Let me get this ready. Let's go over to futures. And yeah, let's wait for the color change. Do let me know as well if you sat there looking at the chart on the 1 minute. Let me know as soon as we get an indication. But I'll get it through to my phone, so we'll jump straight on it. Long Bitcoin off 99,999 or 990. Yeah, can do that. That'd be good. Yeah, it works not a lot now, lol. Sure, I tried that. Well, at least it's working. It's working. Sometimes, John, it's not actually anything to do with the indicator. Sometimes it's just TradingView. Can just be a bit buggy, but at least it's working for you. That's the main thing. But yeah, if you do have any issues like that, John, or anyone else who's got Stonksy, just make sure you drop them in the Discord, and I'll get straight to you. If it goes red, I'm not short, and I'll wait for the next green. I'll go into the firing line then. Wait for the next green. Okay, yeah, we'll do that. Let's see what the 3 minutes saying. Yeah, so nothing. So we're good. Let's add this out as well. So you go. So if you wanted to know how to add alerts, there you go. It's as easy as that. Right, let's go. 3 minute. Get trade on. And what I'll do is I will change this to background change to green. So I only want to know that. And then if I go over here and get this, I'll say 1 minute, get trade on. And I will do, where is it? Background change to green. There we go. So we're set on the 1 minute and 3 minute for alerts for when the background changes to green. So let's do it. Now we wait. We've put our fishing line out. We've got the bait out. So now we wait. We wait eagerly. So we got Spud saying, "I'm willing that Rolex on BLOFIN, I hope." Yeah, so there is a competition going on BLOFIN. So if you do sign up with the Stonksy link, which again is in the description, first link, but you can find it on the Stonksy website as well. Oh, it's because I'm signed in. It's because I'm signed in. It's not bringing up the page. But yeah, there is, when you click the link, you will see all the tiers and stuff like that. BLOFIN is 6, says Spud. Yes, it is. It's the best exchange for you to use. It's the best exchange for you to use. Can never bring myself to short. Don't know why. Well, it's a bull market, isn't it? So it's not a bad thing, Andy. It's not a bad thing. You know what I mean? You can always hedge yourself if you want to, but it's not a bad thing just waiting for the long side. Just obviously make sure when the time comes that you want to switch that mindset and you don't start getting caught offside a lot. Because obviously at some point, you know, when the cycle ends, you don't want to get caught trying to long all the way down. But Stonksy obviously will be there to guide you and everyone else. TMG, thanks for the tip, Harvey. Says it. So there we go. Does the 1 month Stonksy membership include access to Discord? It does. It does. So you get all the Stonksy features and you get access to Discord, yes. So come and join us. I think you've been mulling over it for a while, haven't you? But, you know, we're nearing the end of Q4 into Q1, so there's never been a better time. And listen to Spud as well. He says like and subscribe. Yeah, make sure we get them likes up, everyone. And 50% of you aren't subscribed, which means you're probably also not liking. So do make sure that we fix that today. Drop a subscribe on the channel and do make sure you get a like on as well. So Cucumber's invited us all to Amsterdam. He's going to take us all for beers. And for anyone who wants it, naughty cigarettes. This is helpful watching you do a live trade. Once it turns green and you go long, do you then sell as soon as it turns red? So you do a couple of things. So you could just follow the background if you wanted to, like this. Or you can obviously make a manual decision. So maybe you just hit, maybe you're aiming for 1 or 2% in the trade. And once it hits that, you just want to close anyway, regardless of what Stonksy's saying. You can just do that. Or you can obviously utilize the support and resistance lines to help you as well. So there's a few ways you can do it. You can literally just trade the background if you wanted to and just wait for open and close. Or you can just manually go for a target, so say 1, 2, 3%. Or you can just wait until to see if it holds resistance or support. So there's a few ways that you can do it. Not like and watch, shame on you, 50%. That's it. It's got 50 people in, 25 of them haven't liked the stream probably. How many likes are we on? Does anyone want to give me a little update? I've got Delaney in. Hello. I've not seen you in a few days. Good morning to you. Good afternoon for me. But yes, hello. How are you doing? Thank you very much for joining the stream again. We are waiting live for a trade to come on Stonksy on the 1 minute and 3 minute. So let's see when we get it. And we've got BLOFIN ready to go. We've got BLOFIN ready to go. So yeah, let's wait and see. But let's get some more tickers in. Let's have a look. I had a look at was getting up Curve and Aptos, weren't I? Let's have a look at these in the meantime. Let's go to the 1 hour. So we're still green on Curve, round about break even. Did get a drop and then a nice push up. But again, as you can see, since it's had its move up, it's just been in one big, it's just cooling off, just in a consolidation range. So as you can see, Stonksy's identified support and resistance for you to trade off. Just on the 1 hour. So on the 30 minute, again, green. And then, yeah, you've got your support and resistance within this range. On the 30 minute. The 15 minute. The 10 minute, which caught a nice push up there. And then we got a little one go against us on the red there. And the 5, same thing. Caught a nice push up there and then catching a small drop at the moment. And if we slam through this support level here, maybe we trade down to here on curve on the 5-minute time frame. So that's curve anyway. Let's have a look at apt. So apt is currently flying from here on the 5-minute, getting a nice push up there. 10-minute again, same story. Got a nice push up as well. What day was this? This was earlier this week. So this opened on Wednesday and caught a super move on the 10-minute. So 18% that closed out for. And then we had a little consolidation there in that red background, which closed at break even. And then we're pushing up again now on this green background. For anyone in doubt about New York Open, you can pull up the chart for SPX and add add to the right ticket your upper left corner, and you can see how much time frame is. How much time is? Oh yeah, up there. 17 likes, is that it? Oh, come on. We can all do better than that. That's poor. There's 54 in now. There's 54 people in and 17 likes. That's roughly a one-third split. One-third split. Left until, yeah. Wild, never seen Stonksy to miss that big a shot. Wait, where? Where do you mean? That's why I always say just check different time frames around it. If you're checking the 1 hour, check the 30-minute. If you're checking the 30-minute, check the 15. I've shown an example before of where Stonksy caught it on all time frames, but you just had to caught one move on one and then just one on another. Alerts are only for premium members. You can set one alert on a free trading view plan. You can set one alert on a free trading view plan, and then you have to have an upgraded plan if you want to set more than one. Can you explain how liquid staking really works? So liquid staking, you get you give an asset into the protocol, so say Ethereum, and then while that's locked in there, you get given a derivative form of it. So then you've still got that. So like ETH, when you say you put ETH into Lido, you get given liquid staked ETH. Because then you remain liquid. That's where it gets the name from. So then you can take that liquid staked ETH then, and then obviously do other things with it while your original ETH is locked up. Already on BLOFIN, not sure how to apply links. Sorry, questions today. You'll have to create a new account, John. You'll have to create a new account. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to go on BLOFIN, sign out, and then click the link, which will take you to the sign up page. So click the Stonksy link, take you up to the sign up page, and then just sign up with a new email. And then you'll sign up with a new email, and then there's no harm in having 2 accounts. You might as well have 2, 3, or 4. You might as well have a good few. And then that's how you'll do it. So that goes for everyone else as well. If anyone else is already on BLOFIN, not on the Stonksy link, if you just sign out, click the Stonksy link in the description. I'll post it in the chat as well now. And then you create a new account in under 60 seconds. It only takes under a minute to create. And then, TMG just said we're close to 5 and a green. On what? Let's go and have a look. So not on the 1 minute. But it looks like it might be turning around. Keep an eye out. I've got alerts on anyway. So my phone will buzz as soon as we get it, and I'll just go in, gung-ho, straight in. Man showing 34. That's better. That's much better. We've got Gel Glue in again. Hello, Gel Glue. Thank you for joining again. It's great to see you. We've got Marius saying, great content, man. Thank you very much. That's very kind of you, Marius. Absolute legend. I hope you're having a great day and have a good weekend. You can definitely come back. Please like or get Stonksy Lifetime. Can Stonksy also auto trade by itself? So that's one thing that's in development. So the last thing we released was the automated SR lines last week. But Stonksy users are going to be able to auto trade with Stonksy on BLOFIN at some point in the near future. We haven't got an exact ETA on it, but obviously when we know, we'll let all the users know. So yeah, you'll be able to utilize. I assume it will be in here once we release it. In trading bots, I think, or it might not be. It might be just an API connector. I'm not too savvy on all dev parts, but yeah. So it will be exclusive for BLOFIN. So that's why you want to get on. You want to get on the Stonksy link. But yeah, Stonksy users, yeah, you'll be able to also trade on BLOFIN. Any sign up codes ordering now? Not for Stonksy. No, we don't. We didn't do any discounts over Black Friday or anything. So there's no discounts on Stonksy. But yeah, it's good that you're coming over. Stress. It's good that you're coming over. Good afternoon, Florin. How are you doing? Thank you very much for joining the stream again. Can you check out Lily Whiff? Lol. Top 50 holders get whitelist to Lily Phillips. Oh God. Oh, Spud. So tell me that you've bought about 10 large walletfuls then, haven't you, to get yourself in the top 50 10 times. You queue up, do your thing, then round to the back of the queue, and then do the thing, and then round to the back of the queue 10 times. That's what I heard anyway. Spud's filled up 10 wallets to get himself in the top 50 10 times. God, I seen that Lily coin because it was on the Phantom. It was like the top gainer. What market cap did it go to? Obviously not Lily Whiff, but the other one as well. God. Yeah, stress. No, I answered your question before, didn't I? About Stonksy. Will I get in trouble for using BLOFIN, David? No, you won't. You won't get in trouble, no. Just turn it. Just if you want to be extra safe, if you want an extra peace of mind, just turn a VPN on and put yourself in Austria or Dubai or somewhere like that. You are perfectly fine. BLOFIN exclusively for Stonksy, but yeah, it'll only be coming to BLOFIN. So yeah, you already signed up anyway, ICT, aren't you? I think you signed up on the BLOFIN link a couple of days ago. Oi, hello, Lee. Good day to you, sir. Good day to you. Got a wallet for you, mate. Legend. See, there you go. That's what you call having good mates. That's what you call having good mates. Spud's already filled up his own wallet, and he's got a wallet just for me as well. So yeah, maybe that would make a good vlog. Maybe that'd make a good vlog. Me and Spud on a little trip out to go and check out Lily Phillips. God. Oh God. The mixture between like that sort of industry and crypto now is really it's really funny, and it's so weird. Like how would the two are just like becoming like combined now? But yeah, that's what you call having real mates. Spud's got me a wallet. Stonks just fired a buy on the 5-minute aero. Been a while since it's done that. Ribbons just crossing. So there you go. If anyone wanted a bit of information, Stonksy's just fired a buy on the 5-minute aero chart, and Andy uses EMA ribbons for additional confirmation. So if anyone maybe wants to go and follow him on that, it's not financial advice. He's just giving you purely educational indication. Any plans for you guys to set up as copy trading? No, we won't be doing copy trading. No, that's not in the plans. Maybe someone in the community might, but we don't recommend it. I don't think we would recommend the community to join that. Unless, maybe they come through us and we verified, just how profitable they are, and it might be safe for users. But no, it can go really wrong really quickly. Copy trading. Imagine being the last guy when you had, oh God, ICT. That I'm not even going to read that out. I'm not gonna. Mate, you're an animal. You're an animal. So I can still use that liquid state ETH and convert to USD to trade it normally. TMG, can you confirm this? Because I've actually never dabbled in liquid state protocols. I've never actually held liquid state ETH. I just know how it works. So ICT wants to know if he gets liquid state ETH, so say like on Lido, can he then go and convert that into USDT? But I'm guessing at some point you would have to buy that back to then swap it, obviously, for your normal ETH. I'm guessing that's how it would work. I've never actually used it personally. I just know, obviously, like the correlation between the two, but I've never actually got liquid state ETH and gone and used it. Or if anyone else knows the answer to that question. I think the problem is, though, like, say if you do that, and then say you end up losing some of the USDT or ETH starts going up 20%, then you would have to buy back, wouldn't you, higher? I don't know. Yeah, CSE will have a course as well. But yeah, ask ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT. Go and type it in. That'll tell you straight away. Big G saying tag team. Oh, God. Spud, what have you started here? What have you... Yesterday, it was all about me having like 6 wives. Yesterday, it was all about me having like 8 different kids to 8 different women. Now on to Lily Phillips. Spud's bringing a good discussion, isn't he? World Cup 2026 has just been drawn. England group is Serbia, Albania, Latvia, and Andorra. That's a good group, that. Thank you for the update on that, Lee. That's a good group. I'm in BMX at the moment. Looking very strong for some easy percentage. Very good, Cucumber. Yes. Lol, I'm a chef, never take financial advice from chefs. Exactly, that's it. Good old Andy's just giving some good solid chart analysis. I stake on Swissborg and Bybit, TMG says, to stake his ETH. Dave's ex-girlfriend is Lily. Oh, God. Should have done a Bevo, shouldn't I? Should have done a Bevo and just stayed with her and just let it be ran through. Just scoop up all the financial rewards instead. Should have done a Bevo. Oh, God. I seen Bevo was actually shilling Bevo was shilling a meme coin on TikTok, you know, Spud. He was shilling a meme coin on TikTok. You know the rules. Do we lose 100k? I think there's potential for us just keep chopping around. I don't think there's really too much trouble with us chopping between, like, like where we have been. So, like, anywhere in this zone, we just obviously don't, like I went through before. We just don't want to, like, sort of dip out the channel. So this channel that we're in at the moment, I'll just draw it like this instead. Oh, I keep clicking the wrong one. This kind of channel that we're in at the moment. Can't really draw it too well with that, but, you get the drift. As long as we're, chopping around and that, we just don't want to obviously end up falling out. Because then you start looking for, okay, we'll come and take liquidity below there. We'll take liquidity below there. We'll take liquidity below there. Before you know it, we could be mid-80s. But yeah, as long as we stay in the channel, it's not too much bother. Like, stay in the channel. But yeah, obviously you want to break it at some point. Let's go back on here. We need this. What's going on? Oh, I've got the brush on. That's why. We need the 1 minute, don't we? Oh wait, when did this happen? Oh, when did this happen on Bitcoin? 1 minute. Oh, go on. I'll go in. I'll go in here. Are you going in, Jordan? You know the rules. Dinner. Bebo coin. Right, let's go in. I missed it. I don't know how I missed that. There we go. We're in. We're in based on this. It's not really too much difference anyway. I could have got in about $10 lower, but we'll go in anyway. We'll ride this. Now let's see what the 3 minutes doing. Still nothing on the 3 minute yet, but I'm going to go in on this. We'll see what happens. We've got this support level that can be used as well, but I'll probably just follow this The one thing is, obviously, when we're approaching US Open, obviously the volatility will start as US Opens. We could end up like yesterday. If anyone you was in the stream yesterday, I missed a mega move like this because it was like it started about 1 or 2 minutes before I started the stream. So what we could end up with is like another series of this where we just get a bit of chopping and changing leading into US Open. But we'll follow it anyway. We will follow it anyway. Yeah, TMG says do it. Just keep it out. Well, it's all right. It's all right. I'm only on Thingo anyway. I've only got $100 in the account on 3x. It will do one big boost. Got Stress saying I bought Stonksy. Woohoo! Yes, big up Stress. Everyone gives Stress a big shout out in the chat. Yes, Stress. Stress, welcome to the Stonksy team. So maybe my colleague will get to you before me. If not, I'll sort you out straight after the stream. And all the information will be in the welcome email, so just look out for that. Once you've been given access, you'll get the welcome email with joining the Discord. The link to BLOFIN will be in there again. And obviously just setting up Stonksy. Sound chesty, Dave? Yeah, I'm a little bit, but you'll notice the coughing's pretty much gone. Still in a little bit, but the coughing's pretty much gone. Mate, there's something mad going on in the UK, isn't there? Like a really big illness. Like it's everywhere. It's not just like where I am. It's everywhere. It's all over the UK. Some guy in the chat was saying yesterday he's had it for like 4 weeks. Mine's going at the moment. But yeah, some people are having it for like weeks on end. Everyone here, I want you to go take a Budweiser and mix Red Bull with it. Oh, God. ICT, you're a special type of human, you. Why would you do that? Lily Phillips is chesty. I've never seen Ross of you. I've never seen of you. Will Stonksy ever partner with health insurance for the lovely defects of trading? The thing is, you shouldn't have that many bad defects when you're using Stonksy for trading. Just lower your leverage too. Don't give yourself a heart attack. Just lower your leverage down. There'll be something that I'll be looking at because I'll be making a video on obviously growing a BLOFIN account. And it's just the power of compounding. Obviously, everyone wants to go for like the massive P&L straight away. But you would be shocked to know if you just tried to do 1% a day, just how much money that would grow into. If you just try to do 1% a day, you just take the marathon instead of the sprint. You know, instead of trying to do mad P&L in the space of a week or two, you know, you focus on growing your account over time. In Germany too, I am sick for more than 1 week, and same here. I get sick about once or twice a year. I never get ill, and this is the most ill. It's going now, but over the past like week or two, it's the most ill I've been in ages. Lily was spreading the illness. Dave got it off her. Oh God! Well, you must be having it in a minute then, Ross. Spud, you must be. Oh, God's sake! You must be getting it in a minute or soon, because I know that you was right behind me, so you were next in line. So, so you'll be coming for you next. Let me tell you. It's so delicious. Oh, what's going on in the chat today? ICT's now onto Bonnie Blue. Is that another one of your favourites, Spud? Can we look at Glimmer? Yeah, let's go look at Glimmer. Does Stonky also work on MSTR? So it works on everything, Marius. So it works on crypto, stocks, indices, commodities. So if you want to trade gold or silver, or FX. So, you know, if you want to trade your currency pairs, it works on everything. Yeah. I can pull up MSTR in a minute. Oh, very true. Like scalping, yeah. Like scalping, yeah. No, there's no offer on Stonksy. We don't put any offers on it. There wasn't even an offer on Black Friday or Cyber Monday. We don't put any offers on. But if you do want to sign up to Stonksy, there's a range of plans, which obviously, come and try us for a month for £145, or if you want to go straight in there with an annual, of course you can, lifetime, and then there is one tied to CSE Plus as well. But yeah, these are the options that you've got, and you can pay in crypto as well if you click these buttons. So yeah, these are the plans that are on offer, and you do get obviously full indicator access with all these, and you do get access to the Discord as well. I was in the lounge this morning in the Discord. We're going to start doing some lounge meetings and stuff in there, and there's a couple of people in there that are in there all day. But you can ask any questions or anything that you need in there. What was we looking at anyway? I was going to look at something. Someone asked to look at. DGen Fridays, yeah, that's it. You bring the energy, Spud. That's it. You bring the energy. Exactly, it's it. It's cheap as it is. The monthly plan's £45 per day. This trade's coming off nice. So let's see. Obviously, I'm only on $100 account, but it's go off percentages. So currently up 0.24%. So say if you were just going 1% a day, if you were just going off 1% a day, let me show you something actually. While we're on stream, let me show you something. Just let me stop sharing my screen. Let me just pull up this because I don't want to pull up everything that I've got on my browser. I know what Ross is going to say now. Let me go and just see. My screen will be back on now. There we go. Yeah, right, I'm on. Right. Let me share my screen again and then we'll get going. Let me show you just the power of compounding. So make sure you do drop a like on the stream as well. We've got a couple more viewers coming in. So here we go. So if you start with $1,000 and you just work at 1% every day for a year, after a year, you would have $37,783, and that's just doing 1% a day. So as you can see on this trade, I'm only using $100. Obviously, it's come back down a little bit, but at one point, I was already a quarter of the way there within a couple of minutes. 1% a day is easily achievable. So you do that compounding, because obviously then, the day after, so 1%, you'd end up with $10, wouldn't you? If you on the first day you were starting out, so you'd have $1,010, and then obviously then after that, you would then the day after you would have $1,021. But then say if you go for 2% a day, obviously it's a lot more of a stretch, because then you would be well over $1 million doing 2% a day. But maybe even if you just do, if you do half, say 180, and you wait for good trades, you try and do 2% every other day, you end up with 35,000 from starting with 1,000. So what I say is it's a marathon, not a sprint. You don't have to go flying in there. Bitcoin 3-minute green, is it? Yeah, it is. It is. You're right. You are right. Thank you for that, Maxus. Gonna keep it open anyway. Keep it open. Where did I get in around here, wasn't it? Let's see. TMG going live today? I believe he is. Yes, I believe he's going live later. We've got Spud saying, "Let's go." I opened ETH trade right now. Well done, Marius. Well done. You love it, you ICT. You love it. Like and subscribe, says Spud. That's it. Do like and subscribe. And Marius opened a trade at $3,925. Bonnie is naughty. These are Spud's girls, these. Glimmer, yeah, I'll do Glimmer now. I'll do Glimmer right now for you, Lee. Let me just cover these. I learned low lev for longer trades and 20x for quick scalps. I don't know how TMG holds these 50x levs. That's it. But it comes with experience, doesn't it? And that's why, yeah, you should always start low. Stefan says, I got my $1 million in volume on BLOFIN. Well done, Stefan. Superb. Superb. Are you on the Stonksy link, Stefan? Is that how you signed up? What's the compounding calculator? It's called Forex compounding calculator. But the website is Cashback Forex. Cashback Forex, and it's under tools. But if you just type, I can't remember what I typed in to find it. It's this one here. So if you go to cashbackforex.com, tools, and then compounding calculator. Let's have a look at Glimmer, and then I'll have a look at MSTR as well for Marius, who asked. So we have gone long on Stonksy after catching the drop nicely. And that was just 2 hours ago. That we went long. Let's see. Make sure you do drop a like on the stream now, as Spud keeps putting in. We've got one on the 30-minute, which is going against us slightly at the moment. On the 15, we caught a nice... Obviously, we caught all the drop on the 15. This is what I say. You know, if you're a scalper, stick to the 1 minute and 3 minute. But then, you know, if you're looking for them day trades or week-long trades, go from the 10-minute upwards to the 1 hour. And then if you're looking to hold a trade for a couple of weeks or maybe even a month or two, go to the 2 hour. But as we can see, we caught all the drop down. Then we got the push back up on the 15-minute. Then we are kind of around break-even-ish on this red background on the 15. And the 10-minute, we've got no trade. But as you can see, again, it caught it lovely. So we've got no trade at the moment. There's not really much going on for Glimmer. Looks like caught all the move up. Lovely, didn't it? On Stonksy. Caught it up. Lovely. And then caught the drop down. But yeah, we'll have to see how this green develops, won't we? It's still in the early stages. Maybe we might get a push back up towards its highs. Right, let's check out MSTR. Because Marius wanted it. So as you can see, Marius, so this is on the 1 hour. So obviously stocks with them only trading 5 days a week. You know, you'd probably be better unless you're doing futures. You know, ES. You'd be better with just going from high time frame. As you can see, Stonksy opened in September at $130. And then 2 months later, just over 2 months later, it reached a high of 300%. But then, you know, you would have reasonably got out if you wanted to just get out, you know, anywhere between 200% and 300%. You had all this opportunity here. It eventually closed, though, for 177, which can't be sniffed at all, can it? Then we've had a bit of consolidation, which is expected after that monster run-up it had. But then if we go to the 2 hour, same thing. It's still open on the 2 hour as well. We are still open on the 2 hour. And if we, you know, even if you want to go and look at something like Tesla, you know, as you can see, we got one push up there, and then we opened again here at the start of November. And then it's currently up 68%, still open on the 2 hour. Let's see if we got anything on the 1. It got caught a nice push up on the 1 hour, which obviously closed a bit before, but we did get... Still got 37% in the space of a month, which, you know, you got to remember, this isn't crypto, this is stocks. Do you know what I mean? Things don't go up 25x in the span of a day over in stocks. You know, 37% across a month is good for stocks. So, yeah. Let's see anyway. Where are we? Oh, we're into the red. I've missed it. I've missed it. Oh, well. Let me go and close. Let me go and close. But I'm only trading with a small amount anyway, so what have I lost? Only 0.07. We'll wait for the next one anyway. This is what I said before. We're probably going to get something like this. A bit of messing around with colours chopping and changing leading into the US Open. And then like we had yesterday live on stream, you know, a big move down before US Open. And then obviously a big move on US Open. Let's see what I've missed. Yes, but I use TMG's link. That's fine. That's perfectly fine. No problem at all, Stefan. That's equally as good. If you want to use 50x lev, use very little money with cross. You'd be paying big fees on 50x. Do we get something for 1 mil volume on BLOFIN? I don't know. I can't, because I'm logged in on my BLOFIN, I can't get up to that, like the rewards tier. If anyone wants to, I suppose I could log out if anyone really wants to see it. Or maybe if someone wants to go and check. Yeah. Oh, we've got Block Pro, the legend. Block Pro, good day to you, sir. Thank you for joining. How are you doing? Thank you very much for joining us. Hope all is well. But yeah, I should have caught this this drop down here on a 1 minute. I was too busy messing around. I was too busy messing around. Getting a drop down now, aren't we? 1 million volume, you get free AirPods. Well, there you go. Have you claimed them, Stefan? Yeah. Have you claimed them? That's good. Well done. But yeah, we'll carry on watching anyway. What are we on? 10 past. I really need the toilet. The question is, will you all stay if I go to toilet? Yesterday, you was all good. I only lost about 2 viewers when I went to the toilet yesterday. I'll put some music on and gone first. Let's have a bit of music on in the background again. It's nice and chill, the music. But will you all stay if I go to toilet? That's the thing. We've got 54 people in here. I don't trust that I won't lose at least 10 people. So I'm either gonna trust you all, or I'm gonna have to sit here in pain while we wait. Is it the rewards hub? Wonderful day so far. Market on crack. Live stream is looking good, mate. Thank you very much, mate. It's great for you to join us. Yeah, interesting, isn't it? Interesting market. What's the max leverage you recommend for consistent profits, decent gains, but not being too risky? Low leverage. I'll always say that. Low leverage. I'll always say that. Shopping cart music. I'm not putting the Wii on again. No, that's for the start of the stream. Those that leave don't belong, bro. That's it. That's it. Tim G said, "Don't know what you're doing with the trade. Was busy. I'm in. You should hold it. I closed it, but it's dropped low anyway, so I can re-enter. I was just waiting to see what happened. 30 minutes. I've gone on the wrong one. I'm just going to 3 minutes. I can re-enter. It's dropped lower than when I got out anyway. So TMG says I start on 5x and then scale as it starts moving. I aim to open and close in the same day as I scale up. Bit of Boris Brejcha in the background music. Oh God, no way. So that's about the rewards hub. Go to the toilet, mate. We wait here. Hello, everyone. Oh, hey, you're back. I reckon you've changed your name, but I recognise your avatar. What did you miss? Oh, we've been having so much fun. Fretful Soul. We've been having so much fun. You've missed it all. Go back and watch it from the start. But no, yeah, do drop a like on the stream. Make sure everyone drops a like on the stream. We should be up towards about 50 likes by now. And do make sure you sign up to BLOFIN. It's the first link in the description. You get VIP 1 straight away on your account, which means you pay lower fees for opening and closing trades. And you'll be primed for when Stonksy integrates with BLOFIN. Scottish says, I find 3 or 4x max. Oh, we've got Tantana. A little bit late, but can you look at link? I can look at link. I'm just going to go to the toilet really quickly. But then I can look at link for you, of course. And TMG wanted me to look at link before as well. So I'm just going to the toilet now. There's 59 people in here. I'm going to trust you all that you won't go. I'll literally be 1 minute. So I'll trust you. I'll trust you. Do not go anywhere. I'll be 1 minute. And I'm back. Oh, you know what? You're all so good. There's actually all of you that are still here. Thank you very much for sticking around. That's impressive, actually. I'm impressed. Thank you very much for all you sticking around. But yeah, I will go and check out Link now. Waiting for XRP to pump, says Delanium. Stefan says, happy free chippy Friday and Friday trading with Stonksy utilising BLOFIN. Superb. Couldn't get better than that then, could you? That's a perfect Friday. That's a joke. Yeah, good one. Good one. We don't want that to happen again. That was fast. That wasn't fair. It was standard. I always wash my hands. What do you take me for? What do you take me for? Anyway, let's go and have a look at Link. Let's go and have a look at Link. Let's see what we're getting. So on the 1 hour, we're still green. We got the nice push up there to just past $30. So that was your target, wasn't it, Tan? Your target was $30, I think, was it? The 30-minute calls it lovely as well. Obviously, we've got to drop down here and then come back up. And then change the green and caught the push up, lovely. But I'm sure your target was $30. Not got anything on the 15. We've got anything on the 10. 10 open, got a nice push up and back down to around break even. 5 minute. What have we had? 5 minute caught the push up, lovely. Caught a nice drop down there as well. And then we had a bit of consolidation and caught the push up again today. Well, yeah, today. Earlier today. Yeah. It's looking good for Link, isn't it? It's looking good. You should hold, Dave. What are we doing? Well, I got in here. I think it was there. And then I got out around here when Stonksy turned red. So even if I re-entered in a minute, we'll see what happens. I'd get a much better entry. So I got out around there after getting in there. So not a bad decision so far. We'll see. Maybe we get a drop down towards this support line. Drew on Stonksy here. That'd be a good place to enter. Let's see. You said before, didn't you? 9990. So there. Also, afternoon. Good afternoon, Mr. Delta. Thank you very much for joining us again. So Tantana says, yes, Dave, it was 30, then 19, then 50. Well, I hope it comes off for you. I hope it comes off for you. Are you swing trading it? Or are you just going to hold it? What are you looking to do with it? TMG says you get AirPods. Yeah, you get them prizes that are in the BLOFIN competition. I suppose I could re-enter whenever. Swing and lev like 6 to 10x. Very good. Fretful Soul says, I am short in Bitcoin with a small amount. Ooh. See what happens. What's going on the 3 minute? Still red on the 3 minute as well. I wonder what we will get on US Open today. What's the feeling? What's everyone's feeling about US Open today? Obviously, yesterday we got a drop down, didn't we, after PPI, and then a decent pump up, and then a drop down again. We've got John Brown in the chat. Good morning, good afternoon to you, sir. Thank you very much for joining us again. Thank you very much for joining us. But does anyone want me to go through any tickers? We've been on for an hour and 20 minutes today. So does anyone want me to go through any tickers or anything? We've got 55 still in as well. So I think this is a good point where we should go and tell you to sign up to Stonksy. Come and join us. If you're not yet joined and you've liked everything that you've seen, come and join us over at Stonksy. These are the plans. You get links in the description. And come and join us over at BLOFIN as well. Link is the top link for BLOFIN. You get VIP 1 straight away, and you can obviously all enter to claim them prizes that TMG was talking about and someone else. They'll appear on your screen because I'm logged into a BLOFIN account. I can't click and see them. But it's non-KYC, so you can sign up in under 60 seconds with just an email. It takes under a minute to do it. I've done it in a video, and I've done it live on stream on Wednesday. Sign up to account in under 1 minute. And you can use a VPN worldwide, so you can get on it no matter where you are in the world. And alongside all these other reasons, such as assets custodied in Fireblocks, so funds are safe. So do come and sign up to BLOFIN with the Stonksy link. I'll drop it in the chat again, if you're not already. Take a look at Cow. I think I had a look at Cow the other day. I'll have a look at Cow now. I'm bowing out for now, mate. Taking a break before the open. Thank you for joining, Andy. It's great to see you, mate. Yeah. Catch you soon. Let's have a look at Cow. Up 13% today. Stonksy's in a green as well, which is nice. I'm guessing you've been long in this, have you, Block Pro? Currently up 38.9% from where Stonksy entered yesterday. Got a nice push up beforehand as well last week. But yeah, 39% up from where Stonksy entered on the 1 hour yesterday. We caught it as well even earlier. Even earlier on the 30-minute, 59% up. On the 30-minute, this opened on Wednesday. 10-minute as well, so this got it all. Stonksy got it all on Cow. It opened even earlier on the 10-minute as well. 70% opening on Wednesday on the 10-minute. Yeah, thought we might have been asking a bit too much. Caught it on everything else. But yeah, I'm guessing that you've been long in this, have you, Block Pro? Yeah, long since a couple of days now. Very nice catch. Yeah, it's had a really good push up, hasn't it? So I'm guessing you've been long since the drop down. I'm guessing you longed it after the drop. So you'll be up all this, won't you? You'll have caught all this. Yeah, very nice. Very nice catch. Indeed, couldn't agree more. But do get your questions and your tickets in. We've been live 1 hour, 25 minutes. So I'll be doing another 5 minutes or so, and then we'll be at the hour and a half mark. We did a super long one yesterday. We did 3 hours, which I'll be doing some more of them. We'll definitely do 1 or 2 of them again next week. So, yeah. Another ticket on my radar is Loose. I can have a look at that. I can have a look at Loose. Let's have a look at Loose. But yeah, everyone enjoyed the long streams yesterday, didn't they? Because it had a bit more of a laid-back vibe too. Because when you're going for longer, you don't have to go at it 100 miles an hour. So Stonksy caught. It's quite erratic, this, isn't it? The way it moves. But Stonksy caught the drop down here. Did catch the pump up here. And then we had this one go against us slightly. But caught the pump all the way up there. And then we did get this drop down here. Nothing on the 30-minute. Caught this slight pump up here. And then we did get the drop here on the 15-minute as well. But this is another one that Block Pro's on the lookout for. So yeah, two nice ones there. Car looks great. Not too sure on this. Never heard of this one before, but if it's come from Block Pro, it's probably something to keep an eye on. Let's go back and have a look anyway. What have we got? We've got nothing so far. So it's a good job that I pulled out of this. I got in here on the green background, and then when we flip red, I got out here, which is a good example of obviously managing your risk with Stonksy too. Like I got in here on the green background. Stonksy did push up initially, so I could have cut that for like 0.25%, which, you know, if you're trying to do 1% a day, like we talked about before on compounding, that's one trade done already in the space of about 5 minutes. But then we flipped red and I got out here, which Stonksy's then saved all this downtrend. So we'll see. But yeah, do make sure you drop a like on the stream before we finish. And do make sure you sign up to Stonksy and BLOFIN. Links are in the description. But yeah, let me know what you're doing on the weekend. What's everyone doing? What have you got planned or what you're doing tonight? It'd be great to know what you're up to. Do let me know what you are up to. I'm not doing much tonight, actually. Not doing much. Just, yeah, nothing of note. And then I am going out tomorrow. But yeah, nothing of note tonight. Just chilling. Maybe watching the market. Who knows? Hanging out in the Stonksy. Do apologise about that. In the Stonksy Discord. Hey, we got Save Crypto in the chat. I'll be making a Stonksy video this weekend. Superb. I hope everyone's been enjoying the Save Crypto videos over on the channel. So if you didn't know, Save Crypto is the guy who's been putting all the recent videos together. Obviously, I've done a few myself, but the ones that I've got Save Crypto in the corner with the logo, they're all put together by him. And he was on the stream on Wednesday with us when we did the live trading with himself. So yeah, we'll be having him on stream again very soon, maybe next week, who knows. But yeah, do make sure you go and check him out. But yeah, there'll be another Stonksy video coming this weekend by the looks of it. So that's everything that you've got to look forward to. That'll probably be out early next week, won't it? And I've just filmed another one myself too. But yeah, the chat's gone quiet. So I assume that you're all eagerly waiting the US Open. Oh, here we go. It's got Mr. Delta saying this weekend I'll be mostly getting on Saber Crypto's nerves, asking questions. So there we go. I'm sure you don't mind. Next Wednesday's cool for a live. There we go. So we'll have Saber Crypto on again next Wednesday then. Sounds like a plan to me. So everyone can look forward to that. And we've got Crypto Coffee Club as well. Another legend who's been on the live streams and put some smashing content out. He actually did a live stream trading Stonksy the other day too. Let's go and have a look. So if you come to the YouTube channel and you type in Save with Crypto, you'll find Save with Crypto's channel here. Come and give him a subscribe. Not subscribed on the Stonksy one. There you go. You got another one there. I was hoping that might get to 8K, but and then let's go and have a look at Crypto Coffee Club. And here we go. He did a live trading Stonksy the other day. So do make sure you go and check them both out. Put together some smashing Stonksy content. Did you see the post I tagged you in today, Coffee? I tagged you in a Stonksy post before. I was going to go live as well with a tip after this. So there you go. Anyone who wants to go and join Coffee's live in a bit, he will be going live. But yeah, I tagged you in a post on the Stonksy Twitter before, Coffee, if you didn't see it. But yeah, thank you everyone for joining today. We've just approached the 1.5 hour mark. So we'll leave it there for today while we did a massive one yesterday. Thank you everyone who's joined and spent your, some of your afternoon and day with me. Before you go, make sure you do drop a like on the stream if you've not. And do make sure you head into the description and sign up to Stonksy and BLOFIN. Or if you're already on one of them, sign up to the other one. BLOFIN, like I said before, you get VIP 1 straight away on your account. It's non-KYC. You can sign up in under 60 seconds with an email. and you can use it anywhere in the world with a VPN. And it's also completely safe assets and custody in Fireblocks, so all user funds are back one-to-one. And do come and sign up with a Stonksy plan. The monthly option works out at just £4 to £5 per day, so very cheap. And you're not tied into a contract. You can cancel any time if you wish. So yeah, come and join us. It'd be great to see you over there. I didn't see you in the Discord, but that was a superb stream. I enjoyed it. Just seeing, not been on next day. Thank you. No worries, mate. No worries. Thought I'd give you I was posting it. I was gonna post it anyway because it was a really good thing that Imagine Project put in. So yeah, thank you everyone for joining, and I'll catch you over the weekend at some point. I will be doing a live stream either Saturday or Sunday, so do make sure I'll put it in the Discord when I'm going live, but I'll probably tweet it out as well with a time I'm thinking. But I'll definitely put it in the Discord saying I'm going to go live at this point. I think this weekend, the past 2 weekends, I've done Saturday around dinner time. I think this weekend with what I've got on, Sunday might be better. So I might do like a Sunday lunchtime, or might do Sunday evening. Sunday evening's a good time for live stream, isn't it? So maybe we'll do Sunday evening this week. But I will let you all know. But I will definitely be live on other days. So yeah, have a good weekend, everyone. Have a good Friday, and make sure you keep printing them Stonksy profits. And I'll see you on the next live.